In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to a specific album in Google Photos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right section, find your images, select them efficiently, and place them into the album you want, all without missing a step. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device. On the bottom bar, look for the Collections tab. Depending on your app version, this area might be labeled Library, but the idea is the same. It's where your device folders and organized groups of photos live. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Google updates the interface from time to time, but you should still see a tab that lists your folders. Once you're in Collections, browse to find the folder where your photos are stored. Common folders include camera, screenshots, downloads, or any custom folders created by other apps. Scroll through the list and tap the folder that contains the images you want to work with. You'll see a grid of thumbnails so you can quickly identify the right shots before moving on. Now it's time to select the photos you want to upload from that folder. Press and hold on the first photo to enter selection mode, then simply tap any additional images you want to include. You can tap again to deselect if you change your mind. If you're choosing many photos, take a moment to zoom out to see more thumbnails at once, or zoom in if you need to check details before deciding. This step is all about getting your selection just right. With your photos selected, look for the plus icon, usually at the top of the screen. Tap it, then choose Album. You'll be given two choices. Pick an existing album from the list, or create a new one. If you're creating a new album, give it a clear, memorable name so you can find it later. When you confirm, Google Photos will add your selected images to that album. If backup is turned on in your app, the photos will upload to the cloud and sync across your devices. If backup is off, they'll still be organized into the album locally, and they'll upload once you enable backup in the future. To double check your work, open the album you chose and make sure all the selected photos are there. That's it. Simple, fast, and neatly organized. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly curated albums in Google Photos.